amount of waste that is being thrown in the beaches is impacting environment.
It takes a while for them to understand the impact of our education program. Ang nakanindot mga sa education is now focusing on their family. So pagkakita nila na mayong atong panlantaw sa education, sugal lamig campaigning on environment.
I've noticed na very minimal lang ang ilang education when it comes to the environment and solid waste management. And through the years, it kind of encouraged actually not the elder ones, but the youth to be curious, and it motivated them actually to be involved like this.
Mag-teach me are willing to or eager to help us also and eager to help themselves also. And nakita po naman sa mga bata na marag, they are inspired na okay, magtinarong eskwela and then also doing their part. The beach cleanup is started in Halian and we connect to the other islands and then the other islands is doing their part also.
Slowly na-educate me. Kay way before gani, bisag asa namin ilabay ang mga basura, pero karon kami na mismo mo educate sa mga turista nga kanang dili mo basta-basta maglabay og plastics, and kami na magpulot or magdisiplina mismo sa mga maglabay. Masayad sa dili kami nang inabuhi, namulat asad kami ma'am na we need to take care of our environment.
Tag-implement man gazud ni Mayor na di na gazud mo gamit ng plastic. Kay once na masakpan, magmulta kami.
Once pusulod ka sa Litikmasin River, you need to abide rules and regulations or ordinance na naka-enlist sa mo tourist spot. Dili sad lisod ang transition kay mga limpyado gid noan sa mga nanay. And nagani mi ka ng weekly cleanup drive na ginahimo magbangka mi.
We bring over an expert with solid waste management and explain it to the islanders na like, unsa man ni atong mabuhat sa atong basura nga mag-abot diri. Unsaon ang pag-segregate, unsa ang magamit, unsa ang dili magamit, asa ni nato ilabay.
Somehow, I feel happy sa mga LGUs na naagid ordinance na to segregate the malata, dili malata, ang anak ng mga plastics. For now, parang they're trying to implement hinay-hinay. Kay for sure, dili gid siya sayon ang behavior ng isa ka tawo to practice. Anang behavior mentality gid na kailangan pod i-practice para gid sila masanay. Syempre, in the end, kung dili na magtinabangay, kita na pod ang mag-suffer.
Amo gazud diri.
Mubadlong gazud labi na. Ako mubadlong masagazud kami dire. Okay, syempre affected man gazud kami sir kung mapabayaan ang river. Ay, ang
mga turista dili man
sila sir, mas panagsara siguro an diyon magpataka og labay bitaw.
para diyan mamalit diri. Walang haman ijo basurahan. Kuhaon ako, ibutang ko diri sa basurahan.
We're doing a lot of these programs para yun matarget ang tanan natong mga demographic, including mga rave parties. Lisod kayo ang storyahon ng millennial kung ang atong approach sa ang pag-campaign is forum, di na madala. We have a game that you can download for free. Siargao Flora and Fauna. It's a mobile game. It teaches you all about the flora and fauna of the Del Carmen Mangrove Forest. Kana na game, among napa-approve sa DepEd as a gamified learning material.
The way that we encourage the parents is we invite the youth. And we inform the youth that, okay mga bata, so nata ka nang mag-beach clean up ta ugma. Pero dapat inyo kuyog inyo nanay ug tatay, para pagka-inghuman, magkauntag tanandungan, magbudol fight. And after that, we tell them, uy nata ka maradyawan, magsayaw tagbudots, mag-talk ta. So it always needs to start from them. So that's why what we do is we don't do it for the locals, we do it with the locals.
Mao na change ilang behavior kay na-address man ang ilang needs sa health, na-address ang ilang needs sa education, address ang ilang pagsabot sa pag-protect. At the same time, since na-protect, naka-introduce po tag livelihood. All this created new opportunities sa atong mga katawhan, and every day, we are very happy that they made a choice.
Everybody has a vital role in the community. And in order for the community to work and strive, everybody needs to participate. Not only us, but also the local community. They need to have the willingness to be involved. Business owners, the tourists, and the residents too as well, which we can slowly see thriving in the island.
On December 16, 2021, Typhoon Odette made landfall there is Del Carmen. The typhoon lasted for 4 hours. It was classified as super typhoon